Okay, good morning, dear student. 10th D Science 1, chapter number 5, Heat. In last lecture, that last two big topic we have finished, generator, motor. Uh, Distinguish between the diagram, distinguish between that two main topic with 7 point. You can prepare from that 7 point notes of motor or generator, and you can write the distinguish also. Now new chapter, two chapter remain, heat and refraction of the light. Heading like film, in the film of 3 hours or 2 hours they give a title. It is a meaningful and it is correlated with the film or the story or some character. Like that, for every subject, even in the language, math, science, heading, it is related to the topic. So 10th Science 1, chapter number 5, heat. You must have heard the word heat also, temperature also. What is the difference? Temperature, heat. Anybody can reply, what is the heat exactly? Heat is a level of temperature. If water is of 20 degree, with the thermometer we are measuring and supply the heat, constantly the mercury bar will increase from 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, like that. So the highest level of the temperature, that is heat. So heat, it is a level of temperature. Now first small topic, melting point and boiling point of water. In MCQ they can ask, and fill in the blanks in one word they can ask. In ice cube, if we will put thermometer, totally ice will melt at 0 degree. Till that temperature will not increase. So the melting point of ice is 0 degree. Then start heating 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It will start vaporizing. Liquid to gas. At that time also you are supplying the heat, but that level will not increase. So the boiling point is 100 degree. Melting point of ice is 0 degree. This two number is a melting point 0, boiling point 100 for water, not for another substance, especially for water. That you have to remember. Then in a bowl of ice, suppose you will put thermometer, it will show 0 degree till full ice will melt. It is absorbing heat but not showing in the thermometer. So the amount of the heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid is called specific latent heat of fusion. Specific latent heat of fusion means what? At particular temperature, solid convert into liquid. At that time it absorbs the heat, but the level of temperature will not increase. At constant temperature, solid convert into liquid. That is known as specific latent heat. Means that time it is absorbing heat, but in the temperature it will not shows the progress increase. Same, when fully it will melt and convert into water. Then with the burner, yes, where were you? In the YouTube also I have sent that lecture, so you can refer, and if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime, no problem. With diagram presentation distinguish that I have upload on my Gurudeva Bhava, you can refer. So when full on ice will melt, at that time no increasing in the temperature. So at the constant temperature, when the solid convert into the form of liquid, that is known as the specific latent heat. And now it is water. Heat temperature will increase till 100 degree, and at that time it will happen. Now to 0 degree, slowly it will increase up to 100, but after 100, if we are supplying heat continuously, then also 100 will not increase. So at particular temperature, solid convert to liquid, that is specific latent heat of fusion. At particular temperature, liquid convert into the vapor, that is specific latent heat of vaporization. Solid to liquid, then liquid to vapor. So to at specific level of the temperature, it will absorb the heat, but not the level of the heat will increase. So till 0 degree only it will convert from solid to liquid, and from 100 degree liquid convert into the vapor. So these are, from this we can derive two definitions: the amount of heat absorbed by a solid to convert into the liquid at a particular temperature, that is known as specific latent heat. And at particular temperature, liquid convert into the vapor. Here we have taken water, so water vapor, liquid water will get converted into water vapor. Exactly at 100 degree, we are continuously supplying the heat, but the temperature of heat will not, the level of the heat will not increase. So this is specific latent heat of vaporization. And two objective I have given. Ice will melt at 0 degree. So freezing and melting point of ice is same. Liquid freeze means water freeze at 0 degree to convert into ice, and ice melt at 0 degree to convert into the water. Next 100 degree, at 800 degree liquid get converted into the vapor, and also vapor get converted into the liquid when you will absorb the heat, when you supply, so from water to vapor, and when you will absorb from vapor, so vaporization or evaporation at 100 degree temperature, melting at 0 degree temperature. So these two objective you have to biot melting point of ice 0 degree, vaporization point of water 100 degree. At 0 degree temperature it will absorb the heat, but the temperature will not increase. So at constant temperature solid get converted into the liquid, that is known as specific latent heat of fusion. And at particular temperature water will get converted into the water vapor, that is a specific latent heat of vaporization. This temperature I am talking about water and ice, but for the different subject it is different. For example, water melting point 0, boiling means from liquid to gas 100, copper 1083, on that it will melt and it evaporize, copper vapor, you will get 2562. Same gold 1063, boiling point 2700. Now next, it is a very practical example, new definition, new word, rigidation. Small piece of ice you take in your two palm and give a pressure for around 10 seconds. Give pressure, release. You will find a single piece. All small piece will stick to each other. This process is known as rigidation. Another experiment they have given, that it is one ice cube, big ice cube, okay, and this one is metal string with heavy weight on both the side. So first example I have given, take small. Hello. Hello. Ha. In previous no, only it is 5 minutes past, no. But madam, this around only 5 to 7 minutes is passed in this lecture. Hello. In this lecture, but how they can confirm? Because it will confirm after 15 minutes, and around 8:55 lecture time is there. So only 7 minutes is just passed. So in the application, it will not be confirmed present or absent. So for regeneration, I have given two topic, two example. Uh, small piece, by giving a pressure, surface area will melt. As soon as we release the pressure, again it will convert into single. This is an ice cube. At this much part where the wire will touch, pressure will come. With the pressure it will melt, so the wire will pass. So in that much area pressure will be zero, so it will condense, it will convert into the solid. Then again it will give a pressure on the next layer. Like that, slowly wire will pass from the ice cube, middle of the ice cube, but you will not find two pieces of the ice cube. So these are the two examples. With that you can explain. Means with the pressure, the surface area of ice will melt, and as soon as you will release the pressure, again it will convert into the ice. That is why you will not find two separate cube, and in that small piece of the ice, when you will pressurize, it will convert into the single piece. Now the best part, which they will ask 100% into the SSC book, anomalous behavior of water. Pressure, volume, temperature, these all are interrelated with each other. I am talking about for all substances: solid, liquid, gas. These three substances, when you will give the heat, supply the heat, temperature increase, volume also increase. If you condense, if you will absorb the heat, temperature decrease, volume decrease. Okay. So suppose it is at 20 degree, for example. It is at 20 degree. 19, 18, 17. Slowly temperature is decreasing. So volume also will decrease. Like generally solid, liquid and gas, increase the temperature, volume will increase. Decrease the temperature, volume also will decrease. This water will follow the rule till 4 degree only. From any 20, 30, 10, 6, 5, 7, if temperature is decreasing, directly proportional, volume is also decreasing till 4. But after 4, when temperature is decreasing, this rule will not be obeyed by water at 4 degree temperature. Four to 10 it is regular. Increase in temperature, increase in volume. Decrease in temperature, decrease in volume. But 0 to 4 degree. Whose mic is on, beta? Kevat. Ajay Kevat, whose mic is on? Decrease in temperature. Thank you. Till 10 to 4, decrease in temperature, decrease in volume. But after 4 degree, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, decreasing in the temperature, volume start volume will start to increase instead of decreasing. That is a against of rule that solid liquid gas on decreasing in the temperature, decreasing in the volume. But only water, among solid liquid gas, only water shows this property. Before 4 degree, below 4 degree temperature, instead of decreasing in the volume, it increases the volume. This Devendra, what happened? In and out, in and out. So after 4 degree, property will change. Means in decreasing in the temperature, volume will increase. That is why this phenomena is known as anomalous behavior of water. This is the property only in the one and only one water, when it is in the liquid form, not in a solid, not in a gaseous. Only in water at only 4 degree temperature, decreasing in the temperature, instead of decreasing in the volume, volume will increase. This is known as anomalous behavior of water. So at 4 degree temperature, density is maximum, and 0 degree temperature, density is minimum. In the liquid, solid will sink or float, or depend on the comparison of density. Compared to liquid, if the substance density is more, it will not float, it will sink. If the density of the substance is less than the water, it will float. So at 0 degree, it will be ice. So at 0 degree, density is minimum. So compared to water, density of ice is less. That is why always ice will float on a upper surface of the water. This is the reason why always ice will float into the water. Water, it is more than 0 degree temperature because it is in a liquid form. At that time the density is maximum. In the substance we put it into the liquid, its density is less, then it will float. So 0 degree ice, volume is more, density is less, so it floats. There are practical example of this anomalous behavior. First, ice floats that we have discussed. In give reason 101%, they will ask one question on the base of anomalous behavior. Example are different, but the reason, basic scientific reason is the same. Below 4 degree temperature, volume, instead of decreasing, it will increase. So it happens. So question number 1, why ice floats in water? Ice is at 0 degree temperature. Instead of contracting, it expands. So volume more, density less. Compared to water, the density is less. It will float. These are the points. In this sequence only you right. Second, how the crack in the mountain will increase. During the daytime, rainy water will be stored in this part. During night time, when there is no sunlight, no increasing in the temperature reduce. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now instead of contracting, it will expand. Ice will give a pressure to occupy more volume. So it gives a pressure. So next time it will spread this crack. During daytime it will melt, more water will be stored. During night time again it will convert into the solid. Solid need more space. So again, so After this repeating, the time will come, it will get separate. So mountain or the rock will get cracked because of this anomalous behavior of water. Third, take a plastic or a glass bottle, fill it full with the water, keep it into the freezer. Again, from 10 to 9, 7, 5, 4, then it will start converting into the ice. At 0 degree temperature, it will convert into the ice. But ice, here see, you have seen, decreasing in the temperature, increasing in the volume. So it will occupy more space, but you have filled up fully with the water. So tries to find out more space. It will expand as per the anomalous behavior of water. So after converting all water into the ice, you will find the crack on glass bottle or a plastic bottle. That is also the question. Why you will find crack on plastic bottle or a glass bottle in freezer after freezing the water, means when it converts into the ice. Anomalous behavior of that below 4 degree temperature, when it will convert into the solid, instead of contracting anomalous behavior, it will increase. So to find the more space, it gives crack. Fourth example. First one, ice floats. Second one, reason of crack into the mountain. Third, crack into the plastic bottle, water bottle into the freezer. Fourth, in winter season, we are finding crack into the pipeline. Same reason. During the daytime, when there is a flow of the water, at that time, and when the flow will stop, at that time it will, suppose this is a pipe, inside when the flow will stop, there will be the water storage. During night time, when the temperature goes down below 4 degree temperature, this water will convert into the ice, tries to occupy more space, so it gives pressure inside, so radius diameter will increase. Next day it will melt, next day more water will be stored into the pipe. Again during the night time, again it will tries to expand, so expanding. Once the limit will comes, then it will crack. Same reason, this and this. Fifth, reason is same, anomalous behavior of water. 101% they will ask any one reason on the base of anomalous behavior. Ice floats on water, mountain crack, freeze bottle crack, pipeline crack. First one, in a river or a pond, you will find ice, and here fish and this aquatic plant and animal can survive under the ice. Okay, when the temperature slowly goes on decreasing, volume also goes on decreasing. So at 4 degree temperature, density is maximum. So cold water goes down, density more. After 4 degree, below 4 degree, 3, 2, 1, volume increase, density decrease. So lighter, so it goes up, density minimum. At 0 degree temperature, it will freeze. So ice will float on water. Less density, maximum volume. Now here one very important word you have to write, otherwise you will get only 1 mark for the reason. This full on you have written anomalous behavior, from 10 degree temperature it comes to 4 degree. So decreasing in the temperature, decreasing in the volume, increasing in the density, it goes down. Then from 4 degree to 0 degree temperature, increase the volume, decrease the density, so it goes up and it form a layer, and it is a ice layer, and below that aquatic animals and plant can survive. One word is very necessary, that surrounding temperature is not stop, will not stop at 0. It can be minus 2 degree centigrade, it can be minus 4 degree centigrade. So all should be freeze. And how aquatic plant and animal can survive? They are getting my point, that only very thin sheet of the ice will form. One word, very important. Ice is a bad conductor of heat. So till 0 degree it will convert into the ice. But minus 2 degree will not pass from the ice to inside the water. So below the ice, the water temperature will not decrease below 4 degree temperature, because whatever the minus degree temperature, this will not pass from ice. One word you have to underline, or you have to make highlight with the pencil. Ice is a bad conductor of the heat. So this below 0 degree temperature will not pass from the ice sheet. So this will remain at 4 degree temperature, and at 4 degree temperature water will be in a liquid form only. So aquatic animal and plant will not be freeze in that, they can survive. So from 501%, see 100. So the basic concept is this. If you can understand this graph, you can write any answer. Anomalous behavior. Ajay, again what happened, bacha? Ajay ke what? So with this graph you can explain anomalous behavior. On that practical natural this phenomena happening, that you have to give the reason why this is. And in this aquatic animal and plant can survive under the ice sheet. That here one word you have to additionally write and highlight. Ice is a bad conductor of heat. So if temperature goes down below 0 degree temperature, that cannot pass from the ice. So this part will not be freeze. So in a 4 degree temperature, liquid water means liquid form, animal and plant can survive. To prove this, it is one very good apparatus. One beaker is there. Up to here there is the water. Now surrounding to that beaker, one container is there. It's not cut, okay? Surrounding to this. Here there is one. And in this, ice cubes are there. Two thermometers are there attached. Suppose you have poured water with 10 degrees centigrade. Initially, when we will start the experiment, suppose it is 10 degree temperature. Two thermometers are there, both will show the 10 degree. Then put the ice in the surrounding container like a ring. So this ice effect will slowly will pass to the water. Then in both the thermometer you will find decreasing in the temperature because of ice from 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 till 4. Volume goes on decreasing, density goes on increasing. So increasing density, it goes down up to 4 degree. 4 degree, volume minimum, density maximum, heavier, goes down. Then these eyes are at 0 degree temperature. So at 4 it will not stop. 3, now density will decrease, it goes up. 3 degree temperature goes up, 2 degree temperature goes up, 1 degree temperature goes up, 0 degree, and it will start forming ice layer. And at that time you will find both the temperature different. 4 degree temperature, 0 degree temperature. That this 0 because of this ice sheet. And this because of heavy density, less volume, liquid water, 4 degree temperature. This is same exactly like this. This we have shown by one apparatus, practical method of showing anomalous behavior of water by Hobbs apparatus. So slowly when temperature decrease, it comes at 4 degree, minimum volume, maximum density goes down. Then instead of decreasing in the volume, increasing in the volume, density decrease. Density decrease, so it floats. At 0 degree it converts into the ice, and this temperature now will not goes down because this is heavy density, less the volume, 4 degree temperature. This and this same. This we can observe in the laboratory in single apparatus. This same happens in this natural phenomena. Under ice, plant and animal can survive. This diagram is very important. Directly in 2 marks they can ask to draw one type of the question. Second type, they will give the diagram, you have to write the name. This is ice, here 0 degree temperature, here 4 degree temperature, correct? Density is minimum, density is maximum, volume is minimum, volume is maximum. Dew point, humidity. When cricket match is there, before that some weather report and dew humidity, that in a percentage wise they are giving. Why these are necessary? Because on that base captain can select fielding or batting. When dew is more, so the density in the air is more, so bowler have to use more energy to perform faster bowling. When it is more temperature, less dew, at that time they will get the benefit of air and benefit of temperature. So with less energy also they can throw faster bowling. So this is the example that they give the report, weather report. Temperature is this much, dew is this much, water vapor percentage is this much. If on an average percentage of humidity is 60%. So it is a normal. Below 60 means there is a less water vapor, so the temperature is more. When it is more than 60%, at that time temperature is less, water vapor is more. So that humidity means the percentage of water vapor present into the air in that temperature. Temperature and humidity both are inversely proportional to each other. More the temperature, humidity is less. If there is a very hot climate, at that time you will not feel humidity. When there is a low temperature. Hello.